Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 57 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This Shuriken skill is to learn how to use the Shape Builder tool. It's one of my favorite tools in Illustrator, and I can't believe I've got to 57 in this series without actually sharing it with you. But there you go, easily overlooked by its prominence. So let me show you, first of all, how I'm going to build something from these three shapes just here using the Pathfinder. So what I'm going to do first of all is select these two shapes, so this rounded rectangle here and this ellipse, and then unite them like so. I'm then going to get this shape here. I'm going to bring it to the front and select those two, and then I'm going to use the minus front operation like so to create this simple wrench icon. Okay, so there are a couple of different operations in there, so I had to join some stuff, make sure things were arranged properly, and then take away the front shape, although I could have used a couple of other operations too. Let me select these things here and hold down Shift and tap M on my keyboard to access the shape builder. And all I need to do is drag across those two, then hold down the Alt or Option key and drag across those two, and my shape is built. I'm just going to hold down the Command key, that would be Control on Windows, and drag around this set of shapes here. Okay, now if I was going to do this with the Pathfinder, okay, what I'd have to do first of all is just select the right amount of shapes. So if I just drag across these things here and unite them like so, and then I'll make sure that I've got these two shapes to the front like so, and then select those and do the minus front thing again to create this fork shape. Let's have a look at doing that with the shape builder. So Shift M to get that. What I'm going to do first of all is just hold down the Alt or Option key and knock out these two shapes here, and then use the shape builder's area mode, which is accessed by holding down the Shift key and just dragging like that, and there you go, all joined together. So it's a really fast tool, and I do use it all the time. It doesn't make the Pathfinder redundant, right? But there are times when you can get it done a bit quicker using this tool. And that's your skill to practice this week. And I'll be back shortly with another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.